Number of people in President Trump's orbit who have tested positive for coronavirus just keeps growing.
At least 21 people now have COVID, and many others are self-quarantined as a precaution. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell is following the latest developments surrounding the White House coronavirus outbreak and joins us now live. Josh?
Ellen, it doesn't appear that the president spent today resting, even though he's still being treated for COVID-19. We haven't seen the president today, but he did make a major announcement regarding the second stimulus.
Less than 24 hours out of the hospital, President Trump continued to downplay COVID-19, which he's still being treated for, tweeting he'll be at the debate in 9 days and that he's feeling great. Then the president announced he's walked away from coronavirus stimulus discussions until after the election, causing Speaker Pelosi, according to ABC News, to question the president's mental capacity due to the steroids he's been prescribed. This was the president's message on COVID-19 to the American people Monday night.
Don't let it dominate you. Don't be afraid of it. You're going to beat it. We have the best medical equipment. We have the best medicines, all developed recently.
But the majority of Americans don't have access to the experimental drugs given to the president. And even as Trump pushes the narrative that he beat the virus, 21 individuals who were near or around the president last week have now tested positive. They include Admiral Ray, the Vice Commandant of the Coast Guard, whose positive test has forced all the members of the Joint Chiefs of Staff to quarantine at home. Dr. Suman Radhakrishna with Dignity Health California Hospital has been treating COVID-19 patients since the pandemic began and shared with Eyewitness News some of the lingering effects her patients have experienced.
Lingering fatigue is the most common complaint in all my patients and friends and coworkers who have gotten it. And that can last for weeks, can last for months. Things that they could do at the end of the day, they are totally exhausted. That's number one. Number two, short-term memory issues, not being able to concentrate, having to go back and read again.
And the VP debate is tomorrow night, and there's already a disagreement over whether to have plexiglass between Senator Harris and Vice President Pence. Now, the plexiglass was first requested by Harris's campaign, but now Vice President Pence's camp, they're saying, well, no agreement was reached, and they don't feel that it's needed. Live in West LA, Josh Haskell, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Josh, thank you very much.